Alright. Here we got our Mainstays 9-inch box fan. I've had this for about 5 months now, almost half a year. It is the Mainstays model MBF 918. It pulls 45 watts, 0.7 amps, and it was manufactured in December of 2021. Let's turn it on low. It actually blows a decent amount of air for what it is. I could feel it all the way across the room, even on low. Turn it to medium. After 5 months, it is starting to make a little bit of a vibration noise after constant use pretty much every night. And let's turn it on high. I use this fan every single night that I'm at my mom's house. Just almost every night and day. Blows a good amount of air and it keeps me cool. And it's a good background noise for me when I'm trying to sleep. That's gonna be it for this fan. Just need a cheap temporary leg fan for everyday use. This would be a good fan.